Hello and welcome back to the layout. What I have here is a Walthers Trainline F40PH in the Amtrak Phase 3 paint scheme. I just finished installing a Loksound Select Direct decoder, and I also did an LED swap. I have not installed the detail parts yet that come with the locomotive. And I have a bunch of detail parts that I plan on adding yet too. I have not done that yet. This is just a sound test. But I have the grab irons yet to put on, the truck detail yet to put on, the rear hand railings, and I'm also adding front grab irons, MU hoses, air conditioner unit, windshield wipers, antenna, and sand hatches. Those are on my to-do list yet. But right now, this is just a sound test. With that being said, let's start this thing up. I will let it idle for a little while to let you hear all the sounds that play during idle. Right now the speaker that's in it is an ESU 28mm round speaker. I'm not 100% happy with that. I plan on swapping that out for a Zemo. The 28mm in the Walthers is just, oh man, it's just ever so slightly too big. I don't like it in there. You can't tell in this picture, but it kind of pushes out the side of the shell a little bit. It's just slightly too big. I don't care for it. I'm going to swap out the speaker. Plus, I hear some little bit of, I don't know what I want to call it, like a static noise in the speaker, just ever so slightly. It doesn't show up on the camera because this is the second time I did this or made this video, but you guys can't hear it, but I can. I'm just not 100% happy with it, so I'm gonna change that out. Turn on the headlight here. I used 3mm bright white LEDs, one in the front, one in the back, with a 560 ohm resistor on each one. I may swap those out for warm white or sunny white LEDs just to give a more realistic light color to it, but for now that is what it is. It's just a single LED mounted up against the lens inside the shell. There's the front one. And there's the rear one. I really like the Loksound decoder for the F40PH. I think their sound file is excellent. I don't know if you can read that, but this is a printout of the functions that are available for this decoder. And I will go through a couple of the more popular ones. First, of course, we have the bell. And the horn. I think Loksound probably has one of the better sounding K5LA horns that I've heard. I really like it. Let's maybe back this thing up a little bit. Let you hear the prime mover a little bit. It's got, let me see, we can pick the coupler clank. We already heard the horn, the bell. The dynamic brake. It's pretty loud. We'll turn that off. And now for my favorite one, and the main reason why I bought the Loksound decoder for this project. It's one of the only decoders that have the HEP mode. Unless you have a Digitrax decoder with a custom sound file, that's about the only other way you're going to get one. So let's hit that baby. That will automatically raise the engine to notch 8. So that way, when you move, regardless of your engine speed, the prime mover stays at notch 8. Which is why they were nicknamed Screamers. I'll do one more here for you about some of the radio chatter. Alright guys, that's it. That's my review of the Loksound decoder with the F40PH sound file in it. The next step in this project will be adding all the detail parts. Hopefully I will be back soon with that update. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later.